Want to know in which direction Reliance stock price is moving? Let's decode about 40 analysts' recommendation as well as estimation about the Reliance performance as well as the stock price. We can understand the access to the Bloomberg data is very costly. So let's decode the Bloomberg data as well as take the insights from it. But before starting, one disclaimer. This video is made purely for the educational purpose. We are not recommending any stock. Please understand these are all analyst estimation. So actual performance might fall short of it. Here you can see the data from the Bloomberg Terminal on all different important financial metrics like revenue, earning per share, EBIT, EBITDA, gross profit margin, pre-tax income, as well as on net income. What is the estimation or the projection of the analyst as well as the actual performance? The comparison between two is given for across the years. Okay. Now, if you look at the latest performance, 2025, here we can see that the actual performance of 2025, this is the actual performance of 2025, and this number, it is the estimation or projection of the analyst. So if you compare with these two numbers, we can see that by 0.1%, actual performance exceeded the estimation of the analyst. It is for the 2025 data. Now, previous year, it is underperformed. The actual performance, actually, it is lower than the analyst estimation by 3.8%. Now, these two numbers are very crucial because these two numbers is given for the 2026 and 2025. What is the estimated number? Now, here you can see there is a huge jump in the next year projection as well as far as the revenue is concerned is given, and 2027 data also there is a huge jump you can see. Okay, so next 2-year performance we can see there will be growth in the revenue of Reliance, it is expected. Okay, now if we are going by the analyst data, now EPS data, if you see again there is an increase in next 2 years if you can see. And as far as the present year is concerned, actual performance, it is underperformed by 1.9%. Okay. EBITDA data, which is very important. If you look at the EBITDA data, in EBITDA data also you can see that this current year, that is 2025, it is underperformed from the estimated numbers by 0.6%. But in next 2 years, there is a huge jump in the EBITDA numbers. Okay. And the most important aspect, that is the gross profit margin for a business. If you look at the number, then gross profit margin in current year 2025 data, there is an 1% increase from the estimated number or the projected number. And in the next 2 years, there is again a huge jump from 34% to 37%, and in 2027 the same percentage will be maintained. Okay, and as far as the net income is concerned, in the net income number in current year, actually it is underperformed. You can see from the compared to the estimated number from the analyst, it is underperformed by 3.7%. But in next 2 years, there is a huge growth in the net income of RIL. Okay, so this is the performance of the Reliance data, comparison of the performance between this estimated number and the actual number we have discussed. Now let's discuss what is the analyst recommendation about the stock. This is the screen of the Bloomberg where the about 40 analysts recommendation about the Reliance stock is given. So actual precise number is 38. So here you can see out of 38, 36 analysts have recommended for the buy signal. Okay, or it is 94.7% of the analysts, they have actually raised the buy signal, while only two analysts, or 5.3%, they have raised the sell signal for the Reliance stock. This is the data. It is captured on 6th of June 25, that is yesterday only. Okay. Now, the analysts have raised a consensus. About 35 of the 38 analysts, they have raised a consensus of the target price of 1553 within 1 year. That is 12-month target price they have raised. They have reached a consensus. And the last price, it is 1442.7. That is the yesterday's closing price. So actually in 1 year, you can gain 7.7%. Okay. Now here you can see the list of the analyst, the name of the analyst, as well as his or her recommendations are also given. Okay. Now please understand, these are all analyst recommendation only. So we are not recommending any stock. So this is purely made for the educational purpose, and the actual price might fall short of it. So this is all about the this analyst recommendation or the forecast about the Reliance stock price and its performance. But if you find that this video content is very useful to you, please share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.